My forearm feels pumped. So this is the benefit of the rally seat. I can even sit here because I'm sitting tall, move back. I don't have to stand all the time. There's no ABS at the rear, which is what I prefer. You lock it, you control it, slide it, have a bit of fun. I think it's better to stand up now. I think slightly taller bars might be better, slightly taller and wider, because I don't know, somehow my forearm feels very pumped already. Right forearm with a grip. Don't know why. Tushar also likes to ride easy. He doesn't ride very fast, which is always a good thing. One should always ride within their own means. So he has a... Oh man! Oh. Oh man, I think I broke my hand. Shit, I think I broke it. Shit. शायद हाथ टूट गया।
ज़्यादा नहीं लगी?
नहीं।
बैठ जाओ पहले।
हाँ हाँ। फक यार, मैं उठाता हूँ। इंजन किल स्विच। मैं ना उस वाले गड्ढे में बहुत गंदा उछला। हाँ बैठता हूँ। हाँ शिट, मेरा हाथ मुड़ गया बहुत बुरा, ये यहाँ से रिस्ट। जस्ट हेल्प मी टेक दीज ग्लव्स ऑफ। आई जस्ट होप इट्स नॉट ब्रोकन। मेरी कल से छुट्टी शुरू हो रही है। आई हैव टू राइड टू पंजाब फर्स्ट एंड देन आई हैव टू मदरफकर।
बैठ जाओ यहाँ पे।
Alright, so I went down, not that hard, it wasn't that bad, but I did go down, so yeah. Jacket did its job. I think I went down on my shoulder. I'm wearing complete riding gear, so nothing happened to me really. I just feel that twisted my wrist.
1, 2.
Oh fuck man, ये नहीं हो रहा। ये यहाँ से ये नहीं हो रहा मूव. Bike is okay. I mean, you know, some damage. Understandable. Crash guard took damage. This is bent. This is gone. This is bent. This is torn. आ जाएंगे वो खुद अगर नहीं है तो. This is gone. अगर ये ना चलने लायक भी हो ना, इतनी की घर तक चले जाए तो हो जाएगा मेरा तो. This is bent. व्हील्स की अलाइनमेंट वगैरह भी गई, टेढ़े हो गए. मैं उड़ते हुए गया पूरा सामने.
उड़ते हुए कैसे?
यार मैं ना, पता क्या हुआ, एज फार एज आई रिमेम्बर, मैं खड़े होके तेज चला रहा था. So I went through these bumps, series of bumps. I hit this one pretty hard, I think. ये जो है ना, मैं इस पे बहुत तेज हार्ड हिट हुआ and I went over, पता नहीं 50-60.
तो फिर क्या उल्टी होगी भाई?
हाँ मतलब मैं तो बार्स के ऊपर से गया, बट मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं हुआ यार, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ मुझे. So my hand. Okay, fuck, this is going to be a challenge to ride back. So even if the rear brake is working, I'll be able to ride it back. So I think it's not broken, it's just, you know, it just got twisted. If it were broken, it would have swollen up by now. Check this out, guys. It just got dirty. Nothing else. Nothing else. Yeah. Nothing got torn. Nothing. तो अगर ये थोड़ी ऑपरेट हो जाए तो आई कैन गो बैक.
हाँ तो कर देंगे ना.
हाँ सारांश तो है बाइक खोलने के लिए.
हाँ मिस्त्री आ रहा है.
Very silly of me, I couldn't control it.
You changed the genre of the bike, na?
So हुआ क्या, I've been used to riding the Meteor and this thing. तो ना मेरे को शुरुआत से ही बाइक उतनी कंफर्टेबल नहीं लग रही थी. in the sense that
वो होता है.
मेरा राइडिंग डायनामिक्स completely changed. My reaction time, everything was slightly different today.
It's a smaller bike, na? Probably, and a lighter one, so.
I couldn't control it. I couldn't. मेरे ख्याल से I hit the lip very hard. And the bike maybe probably not stopped but slowed down, and I just went over the bars.
Which means you applied brakes also, na?
Probably not, I don't think so. Again, वो तो footage, good thing is the GoPro was recording.
चलो,
so देखेंगे. But yeah, this happened. एक बार चेक करना, स्टार्ट हो रही है?
हाँ होगी स्टार्ट.
So the damn thing is not starting. नहीं हो रही स्टार्ट. किक मार के देखें.
Pump is not working.
Oh fuck.
Gear में.
अच्छा. चले जाएगी. See, a good thing is this is not our first rodeo. We are so experienced now in doing all of this.
This is not 14.
अबे इसको क्यों खोल रहा है?
तो क्या खोलना?
अरे उसको सीधा करना, जो काम का काम है वो।
तू भैया खोलने वाला था।
मेरे को लगा कि वो ये भैया सिखाया था कि ये कैसी है।
So we're going to apply torque to the handlebar, sorry, the brake lever, and just try and get it into shape so that it's rideable. Yudhvir is trying his best. Saransh is holding the bike down.
Don't get delivered. हो गया वैसे doable। अच्छी बात है MS।
चल जाएगी।
Good thing is it's not aluminium, वरना तो ये खत्म हो जाता है।
और ये पता है कितना सस्ता लीवर होगा ये
70 रुपीज का है।
70 रुपए का है। ब्रेक लीवर 70 रुपए का है। क्या बात कर रहे हैं? इतना पैसा मैं कहाँ से दूंगा?
And this is a common part for Splendor or any bike।
अच्छा सुन, मैंने लीवर ठीक कर दिया, तुझे एक काम दिया था।
हाँ, कर रहा हूँ देख रहा हूँ। अच्छा आसान काम खुद कर दिया।
टारगेट है
भाई जान लगा तू।
अब मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ बस उसको करूँ कैसे इधर, कोई डंडी है क्या?
Yudhvir and Saransh, they've managed. Well, Yudhvir, Saransh was his assistant, but you know the Chotu couldn't do anything, so the master had to. So he managed to fix this. They've also straightened this out for me. Yudhvir will take a small test ride of the motorcycle and just see if it's worthy to for me to carry on. My hand is a little hurt, but I think I can manage the ride. Guys, I went down pretty hard. You guys have seen that in the video. If there's one, there are two takeaways from this. First, be completely geared up. Always gear up for the fall. There will be a day when you will go down. You should be dressed for that day. I was wearing a riding jacket which has very good armor. I was wearing a top quality helmet. I was wearing gloves, riding gloves. I was wearing riding pants and I was wearing riding boots. And all I have is a sprained hand.
And underneath there was an andi.
Yes, that's important. Do not go commando on a trail bike. So that's the first thing. The second thing that you should do is always ride with a group of people. If you come to an isolated place like this, there is no phone network over here. Had I been alone and had it been slightly worse, I probably would not have been able to get help. So just don't venture out in places like this in the jungle all by yourself. It's better to have friends around, people who've done this before, and people who, you know, at least like Saransh, who carry a toolkit with them. So a basic toolkit, a first aid, all of this is necessary. Keep that on you, keep that on your bike. Okay, so I'm kitted up again. These guys have managed to fix my motorcycle up as much as they could with the bare basics that we had. So we are going to continue the ride. We are going to go to, instead of going to Panikam, the new trail that we wanted to, we'll go to a regular trail all the way to Damdama Lake and come back. So I'm just going to get a feel of the bike. My hand is still hurting. It feels slightly swollen. Probably is, but should be okay enough to ride if I ride easy. Look at my handlebar. Just look at my handlebar. It's okay. It's just a motorcycle. Anything can happen. मैं आगे चलता हूँ थोड़ा धीरे धीरे. हाँ, क्या सीन दीपक भाई, क्या डिसाइड किया? चलो चलो. I'm good. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Alright, I can still, the rear brake works okay. Front brake is working okay. Handle's broken. Not broken, but completely twisted, bent. So here's my analysis of what happened in the crash. You guys tell me if I'm right or wrong. I could be wrong, but still, you know, you guys tell me what I'm gonna, what I think. Again, I've not reviewed the footage yet. I don't know what's happened. From what I remember, there were two small jumps in succession. As soon as I hit the first jump and I landed, the suspension was completely compressed, and before it could rebound, I had hit the lip of the other jump before it could start rebounding. So I think that is where, instead of, you know, the wheel being able to overcome it and, you know, roll over, I hit it at a bad angle with the suspension, front suspension completely compressed, and that's when I lost the control over the motorcycle. I sort of went over the bars. That's my understanding of what happened. Again, people who, you know, are off-road experts who are watching this, I don't know why any off-road expert would watch my, you know, very basic riding in the first place, but if somebody is, please let me know what happened. I would like to know. Usually I just fall in sand. I don't fall like this. Never fallen like this on a dirt bike. I don't know if my friend is here, that black dog, but at least, you know, I'm glad, guys. I'm glad that we did not decide to turn back and we finished the ride. I'm very happy. Alright, so I'm going to end this video over here. It's been a long one, probably. Little crash, but not a deterrent in riding. Thank you so much, guys. This is my group of friends who I was riding with today, and they helped me in the crash. That's Deepak on the Tiger, Saransh on the X-Pulse Rally Kit, Tushar on the X-Pulse Rally Kit, and Yudhvir on the X-Pulse Rally Kit. Bye bye.